for Thieves Vinegar. This is a vinegar that's been made from legends. It is known to have warded off diseases, including the bubonic plague. It's made from apple cider vinegar, garlic cloves, and your choice of herbs. Mostly used is going to be sage, thyme, and rosemary, but I've also added some oregano. Some people will add basil, but these three are the main concoction that needs to be within the vinegar to make it what it is. As legend tells, 4 French brothers during the Black Plague was immune to the disease. They would go around robbing the deceased people's homes and graves, but they never did get sick. After they were captured, the remedy of how they stayed healthy came known. They would take what we are currently making, and they never did get sick. If it's actually true, I don't know, but it most certainly is definitely worth looking into. Once you get the vinegar and the garlic cloves chopped, add everything to a jar. These herbs are not dried. It's better if you can use fresh. The recommended amount is 2 tablespoons, but I just kind of grab them and stuff them in. I always figure more is better. This will need to be shook at least every other day for 4 weeks. Then it would be strained through a fine mesh strainer, and it can be used to clean your face. It can be used to take, of course, for an immune booster. We hope that you enjoyed our video and learned something, and this is to you and great health.